Hey, what's going on there, folks? Dan here with Herbert Outdoors, and just wanted to bring you a video, kind of a beginner at the bushcrafting stuff, survivalist skills, and I just kind of wanted to show you a little tip that might make things a little easier for some of the newbies to the survivalist realm. As you can see over here, I've got my tinder bundle and my bird's nest. I also have my striker steel and some char cloth. But here's what I wanted to show you is something that you could run into a problem of. So, like I said, I got my cloth. Char cloth, steel, but slight problem. I don't have any flint. So here's where it comes into play. We're going to go find some. Okay, here we are. We're out here, my favorite campground, and we're just wandering around, and this is the white gravel you see here that they tend to throw down. And some of you may not know this, but there is chert mixed in with it. So let's see if we can find this a good piece. Could be just about anywhere out here. Well, got a little something here. That'd probably work. But I want something a little bit better. Let's see if we can find. Okay, here we go. That's just what I need. That should work just good. It's got a nice sharp edge here, and you can tell because of the smoothness that is a chert. A lot of this other rock around here is kind of pitted and just it's not the chert we're looking for. This should do it. All right, let's head back and see if we can get that fire bird's nest started with this. All right, as you can see, I got my chert that I found out here in the gravel. I got this other piece. It wasn't quite as good. I'll give it a shot and see how it sparks, see if it does a very good job. But let's give it a try here. Yeah, it's giving some sparks off, but let's try this other one here. Oh yeah, nice sparks. That's what we want. Alright, I made this char cloth prior to today. It's just some denim that I, of course, put in my Altoids tin there and got it all made up. I'm just gonna lay these edges up here a little bit, make it a little more susceptible to taking that spark. Here we go. Here we go. Got me an ember going there. Put that down inside that bird's nest there. we go. We got ignition. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed that. It's a little quick tip of finding some chert that can get your fire going. If you happen to lose some and you find that white gravel, I found it in at least 2 different states, Iowa and Illinois, in the white gravel that they put around at campsites, parks, different places like that. So you should be able to find some. If you're unlike me, who when I looked it up on Google, it said that Illinois didn't have any chert or flint except in the southernmost part of the state in one county. And so I went to Arkansas to get some, but guess what? It was right in my own backyard, more or less. And I even found it scattered throughout the campground, just off in the pine needles. So if I can find it, you can find it too. Remember, folks, be kind to each other. Catch you next time.